Hi friends, it's me, Neema, and welcome to my channel. Today, let's make a very tasty and yummy tea time cake, the Malai cake, which can be easily made at home. So friends, let's see how the recipe is. Here, I'm going to make an eggless Malai cake with a handful of basic ingredients. This cake doesn't call for any fancy ingredients. So let's start off first with the Malai. For this, I've taken 3 cups of milk and I've kept on a high flame. Now into this, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of milk powder and 1/4 cup of condensed milk. And let's whisk the 3 ingredients together slowly. Now I'm going to add some flavors to it. So here I'm adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder and then goes in our saffron. For this I've taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Into it I've already added few strands of saffron. So this goes into the milk. And mix it well. Keep on stirring till it comes to a boil. See, the milk is boiling. Now I'm going to reduce the flame. Keep on stirring like this till the milk is reduced into half. And while on flame, make sure to scrape the malai into the milk and keep stirring for about 15 to 20 minutes. The consistency should be like this. So I'm going to turn off the flame and then we'll cool down to room temperature. The malai becomes more thicker after cooling. So this consistency is perfect as we have to pour this on top of our cake. Now let's keep this aside and start off with our cake preparation. For this we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup of yogurt, 1/3 cup of veg oil, half cup of malai which we made earlier, half tablespoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. First let's strain all the dry ingredients. I'm going to add maida or all-purpose flour. Then goes in our sugar, into this I'm going to add baking powder, baking soda and our salt. Mix it well. Our dry ingredients are ready. Now goes in our oil, yogurt. Here I am using homemade yogurt, but you can use any yogurt. Our vanilla essence and finally our malai. See how thick it is. Combine everything together. See, the consistency should be like this. Now let's get the pan set for steaming our cake. For that you can take any normal pan which you use regularly at home. So into this pan I'm going to add in 1.5 glass of water. And then you can place a stand like this. If you don't have a stand at home, then you can even use a small bowl or a small plate into the center and then cover and heat it up on a medium flame till the water starts boiling. Meanwhile, we'll get the mold ready for the cake. For that, I've taken a 7-inch size heat-proof glass bowl and grease it well with butter or any refined oil. If you don't have a glass bowl at home, then you can either use a steel bowl or a cake mold for this. I'm just greasing it. Let's pour in the batter. And slightly tap it. Our mold is now all set, so let's place this in the pan. See, the water is boiling. Now carefully, let's place the mold inside the pan like this and then cover it up with a lid and leave it on a medium flame and cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes. So let me check and see. See, it's very clear. That means your cake is done. Our cake is baked well. Let it cool down to room temperature. Our cake has cooled completely. Very soft and spongy. Now, using a fork, let's give some incision like this, so that when we pour malai on top of this cake, it will reach till the center and the cake will get soaked with all the flavors. Now, let's pour in our malai. And give few more incisions like this. Further, garnish it with some chopped nuts. Further, place it in the refrigerator for some time so that the cake absorbs all the malai and it will be all set to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I love hearing from you guys. So please drop in your comments. Make sure you like, subscribe and see you in my next video with another tips and tricks.